What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Pullback Effects channel. And this is another weekly review that we're going to be doing for NASDAQ. So it's Monday, August 29th. Last week, if you guys go ahead and check out the funding account challenge video, which is the last video I posted, you guys can see from the 15-minute and 30-second mark. I outlined this analysis mentioning that we were most likely going to draw inside of this imbalance that we see here that I have marked, and that possibly after that we should see price fall through into the liquidity that was made on Monday and these lows down here, and the next level or next objective would be this level here. I also mentioned that if we start drawing further down, we could possibly see this level be tested, and then possibly this level, which is pretty much this range of price action that we have here. So now that we're a week ahead, you guys could see obviously how that was beautifully drawn into fruition, right? We had market, it was a really ugly week at the beginning, right? We had a really large consolidation. I mean, except for Monday. Monday gave us a nice draw to the downside. But after our analysis was made, we saw that price really had some consolidation around here, right? We kept on consolidating around this area, and then finally around Thursday and Friday, we finally started heading up into our level, into the levels that we were looking for our weekly setup to form into a selling opportunity and head for the liquidity below these lows, test this low, and then eventually get down to these levels down here, which we just did today on market open. Well, this week, since we already opened up Tuesday's trading day. But on Monday, which was yesterday, we saw how we gapped down and tested this level that I called out last week. Okay, so going through now, we're going to go ahead and start seeing what I expect for this week. But please don't take this too much in consideration, okay? We have NFP week this Friday, so it's going to be a really volatile or possibly whiplash type of event this week. So try to keep your risks very low. Preferably don't even try to trade this week and just analyze price action. But going forward, just so I could give you guys something for this week to watch, I'm going to go ahead and go through this, but just make sure you use low risk if you ever take a trade during NFP week, or no trade at all. Personally, I might not even take a trade this week, but if I do, I will use really low risk. Okay, this is due to knowing that I know I'm most of the time wrong in NFP weeks. Okay, so just remember that you want to keep pretty much your hands down and not be very active for NFP weeks and the further ones to come. So I know I'm mostly wrong during these type of weeks, but we're going to go ahead and see what we could possibly see unfold during this week, okay? Although my win rate's really high, it really falls a little bit during these types of week events. But anyways, I'm not going to go ahead and bore you with that. Going on with what my expectancy is in the week is we could possibly see something unfold on New York session today, since we do have some type of a news event. But what I would like to see, as you guys can see, we opened up, we gapped down, came up, and then kind of consolidated around this area, which looks really similar to last week's trading. So I'm gonna go ahead and co-sign that we're most likely gonna head up again for a retracement, back up to this level here. Okay, we could possibly have resistance in the 12.633 8.5 level is where I would start looking for resistance ideas or lower time frame setups that will get me in sync with the marketplace when it starts breaking down. Okay, I'm still bearish with I'm sorry, not NFP, but with US 100, which is what we're trading or analyzing. So I kind of want to see this level get tested this week still. Okay, now if we do go any further down, then obviously we might see the low get taken out, or at least the bodies get tested here. Okay, so just in case if we do end up rallying any lower, these bodies are what I would like to see tested. Okay, but for a setup, I would really like for price to retrace into this level to the 12.638.5 level or the 12.670 level. Anywhere around there could be a nice selling opportunity. If we do end up higher or going up any higher, I really don't want to see this level tested. I would want to see either the open of this candle or the high. Can't really get this. Let's see. There you go. So this level is going to be my first area to look for resistance. And if we do start going any higher, I want to see it stay or at least trade just a little bit above the opening price here or the high from this specific candle. Okay, I do not want to see it trade any much higher than that. If it's going to trade any much higher, this is the last level I want to see. But I believe if we get up to this level, it's most likely going to keep on heading higher. So really what I'm looking for is either this level to be tested. We might not even test this level and just get really close to it, to the 12.638.5, and then keep on going lower. Okay, but if we do see it come any higher than this level, the highest I would really want to see it go is to the lines that we have here, which is the opening of this candle or the high of that candle. Okay, but preferably I would like to see the market do something like this. Take out Monday's high, test our level here, and then start heading down for the sell side liquidity left on Monday and the level here, which is the bodies of the price range that is left in here. Okay, if we do end up going lower, which I don't really think so, right? I think this is going to be the last leg lower, and then we might start heading higher. But if we do end up going lower, then the bodies of these candles what I would be watching, but we'll see until then. But really, from up here to down here, that's really enough to catch a really nice trade. You don't really need more than that. And like I said, it's NFP week, so I would really recommend for you guys not to push it. Okay, but we'll see what we get. We'll see if we get these levels hit. If we do, we'll see if it will have any continuation to go lower, or after it hits these levels once again, we'll see if it possibly rejects that and starts trying to get higher into the buy side that we're leaving above here. Okay, but mainly I'm still really bullish. Bearish. And then we'll see on September or next week what we get if we start seeing any bullish movements to the upside after that. Okay, so I'll leave you guys with this analysis for you to study. And with that said, I wish you good luck with this week. Hopefully you guys won't trade as much as you normally do, since like I mentioned, it's a really hard week to trade and there's a lot of uncertainty in the marketplace when NFP week is in play. So with that said, I'll see you guys next time and wish you a nice week.